Hello everyone. So in this video, we are again going to see the no rate limit vulnerability onto the website. We already saw a sign up bypass that we were able to do. Now we are going to do a login bypass by exploiting the same endpoint. So let's start. As you can see, I will go onto the login option and I'm going to give my phone number to login. I will just go to the forget password now. I will give the phone number to forget the password and I will click on send OTP. The application will send a OTP onto my phone number. But I'm going to give a wrong OTP here and I'm going to send this request to Burp suite. So this is a wrong OTP. Let me just open a Burp. Let me do intercept on. Go to the application, click on verify. I have successfully captured the request in Burp suite. I will send this request to repeater and I will send this request to intruder for brute forcing. After going in repeater, I will just send the request and you can observe I have got the response that is please enter a valid OTP. So I'm going to copy this response that is please enter a valid OTP and I'm going to perform a grep match. I will quickly go to the intruder tab and you can see my target is this website. I'll go in positions tab and I will select the position of the OTP code 1. After selecting this position, I will click on add. After doing this, I will go into the payload section and in the payload type, I'm going to choose numbers. I'm going to give a range of OTPs in the from and to option. So I have given around 25 OTPs to brute force. As you can see in the number format, I'm giving minimum integer digits and maximum digits as 4 because the OTP is 4 digits long. I will go in the options tab and I'm going to set the throttle to 5 seconds, which is 5000 milliseconds. I'll quickly go to the grep match option and add please enter a valid OTP to match this into our responses of the wrong OTPs. And I will click on start attack. As you can see, the attack is starting and there is a significant delay of 5 seconds between each request. All these requests are matching please enter a valid OTP text, which means these are the wrong OTP. We will wait for the application to brute force the right OTP and give it to us. As you can see, all the OTPs has the same response, that is please enter a valid OTP. The application is still trying for the OTPs and you can see there is one OTP which is missing this text which is please enter a valid OTP. As you can see onto the screen, I will just double click on that please enter a correct OTP and the OTP which did not match this text will automatically come up. As you can see, the right OTP I can see is 9763. So I'm going to try using this OTP. And then I'm going to log in through this OTP. I will just go to the application back again, and I'm going to put the right OTP that I guessed from the intruder tab. The OTP was 9763. I will click on verify and wait for the application. And yes, I am inside the application. I will just go to my account to show you the details of my account, and yes, I have successfully bypassed the OTP verification process for this website. I hope you guys understood. Thank you.